Camau Sylfaen. Uned 27, fideo 2, fersiwn y D. Rhoi cyngor. Yn y fideo hwn, dyn ni'n mynd i barhau ymarfer Dylet T. In this video, we are going to continue to practice Dylet T, using sentences that you could use with a colleague or someone in your care. Dych chi'n cofio? Do you remember? If someone says that there is a book on the table, mae llyfr ar y bwrdd, how would we say, you should read it? Da iawn. Dyle ti ei ddarllen? Neu, dylech chi ei ddarllen? Mae treiglad meddal ar ôl ei, because llyfr is masculine. Dyle ti ei ddarllen? Nawr, gadewch i ni edrych ar enghreifftiau o enwau benywaidd. Now, let's look at examples of feminine nouns. Gwrandewch ac ailadroddwch. Mae'r gadair wedi syrthio. The chair has fallen. Dyle ti ei chodi. You should pick it up. Da iawn. Cofiwch, remember that there is a treiglad llais after ei, here, because we are referring to cadair, which is feminine. Dyle ti ei chodi. Dyma enghraifft arall. Here's another example. Mae'r gacen ar y llawr. The cake is on the floor. Dyle ti ei thaflu. You should throw it. Mae treiglad llais because cacen is feminine, so taflu is mutated. Dyle ti ei thaflu. Iawn. Nawr, let's look at examples of the plural. Mae papurau newydd ar y bwrdd. There are newspapers on the table. Dyle ti ei tacluso. You should tidy them up. Dwedwch ar fy ôl i. Dyle ti ei tacluso. If a colleague says that there are dirty cups on the table, mae cwpanau brwnt ar y bwrdd, how would you say, you should wash them? Da iawn. Dyle ti ei golchi. And if someone says that the board games are on the floor, mae'r gemau bwrdd ar y llawr, how do you say, you should put them in the cupboard? Cywir. Dyle ti ei rhoi yn y cwbwrdd. Da iawn chi. Gwnewch y gweithgareddau yn yr uned nawr, a chofiwch, dych chi'n gallu gwylio'r fideo hwn eto I adolygu. Complete the activities in the unit now, and remember, you can watch this video again to revise if you need to. Pob hwyl!